Hello guys, this is Arjun. Welcome to my channel Creative Minds. So at last part we completed the designer section. So let's complete the block section now. Let's start. You should click on the timer. Our app is timer now. You should see part 1 before you are seeing part 2. So we have completed this block section and let's do block section now. And let's take, when we click button 1, the component, the blocks are, when we click button 1, set clock timer enable. We should go to clock and you should go to time enable. You should click on this and this should be false, right? So we should not go back. Here we can find false, and if you want to delete it, you can delete here. Okay, now let's button 2. Let's go to button 2 block, and this is button 2, and we should copy this. We should click on duplicate and we copied this, right? Next, here we can find it was false. You should change it to true. You should change it to false and this should be true. Okay. And one second. Button 1 and button 2 completed. Let's do the clock block. Now you should go to clock and you should drag the clock timer when clock timer 2, and you should go to control. You should take this block if then else, and you should go to math and you should drag this and put it here, and then set label 3 text. You should go to label 3 text. Where is the label 3 text? Oh, sorry. And in the else block, we should take label 1 text. Label 1 text. And you should keep it here. And you should go to set label 3 text. Set label 3 text. Oh, sorry. Label 3 text label 1 text and label 3 text you should paste here, and you should take this, go to this block component and you take this and put here, and okay, this should be less than symbol, and again let's copy this and you should paste here and go to math blocks and take this and put here, and let's set this. Okay, and here if you should go to label 3 text, label 3 text should be greater than 60 if the label 3 text is greater than 60, and you should change the value to 60 and click on OK, and you should again take button 3 text, you should copy it, means you should click on duplicate, and this math block should be 1. Let's copy this block, let's paste this here, you should remove it and you should paste it, and you should delete it, and here we completed clock block, and you should go to button 3. Where is button 3? Yes, here you should drag and paste here when button 3 clicks, and this should be label 1 text, delete, label 1 text should be 0, and label 3 text, where is this label 3 text, yes, we can find here, and this should also should be 0, and if we change the values, the timer app will not come correct. You should go to clock, and here we can find clock time enabled. Where is this time enabled? And you should drag this and you should paste it, and it should be false. We can take here also, but I am taking from here. Okay, these 3 blocks are completed. So our app is completed. So let's check it. You should go to build, and you should click on app save APK to my computer. And you should wait when it comes 100%. You should go back. We should don't go back. We should wait for some time. And it become 100, and you should click on OK. No need to worry. And here we can find it is downloaded, and you should click on timer APK, and here we can find this, and you should click on install. And you should click on open. Here we can see our timer app. Oh, this word isn't set. Okay, let's change this. Let's put this as 200, and this also 200. It is not okay, right? So we are changing. And 200. I think it will be okay. And if it is not okay, you should go to text alignment, and you should click on left one. You should do same. Okay, let's change this as 300 pixels. If we can't find, you should go to tablet size. Or we have label 3 problem, right? When we click label 3, it should be true. Label 3. Okay, let's check it. Or if you want to change this icon, you should, here we can find icon. Here you should click on upload file and you can find choose file here. And here we can find files, but no problem. Here we can put this anything. I am putting this. Okay, let's check it. Let's wait for 2 minutes. We can't do anything if it come like 35%. We can't do anything, right? And it became 100. You should click on, and here we can find this. Okay, 1 minute left. It took more time, so you should wait. You should not do anything. Okay, it has been downloaded. You should download it. Here, but we can see it is down, and when we click start it is not coming, and then we click pause it is coming, so it is the problem. And when we click on start it stopped. Okay, let's do this. And the pause button one. Okay, let's change this as start. START. And let's change this as pause, right? Pause. And it is okay now. When we click button 3, it should be false. And let's check it. It is downloading. And it is downloaded. And here we should click on download. Here it will download. It will download in 11 seconds. And it was downloaded. And here we put the icon. And here we put the icon as this. Here I put the icon. You can put anything. So here I put icon. This icon. And let's see. Okay. Pause. It is okay now. Okay, right? So this is our part 2. If we have any wrongs, if you have any mistake or any doubts, you can put in chat box. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.